Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you the only card control you'll ever need to know, and here's what it looks like. So you go ahead and select the card. Anyone? This one? Okay, make sure to remember this card, and I'll square it up as cleanly as possible, and I'll even give the cards a mix, and it's as fair as possible. But even with this, giving the cards a simple cut, I will be able to bring back your card to the top. So this is what the control looks like in simple terms. So let's see how to do it. Okay guys, so for this control you will need to know how to make a crimp. It's not a difficult thing to do. You only need to bend the edge of the card a bit. So let's see how I did it. So you just spread the cards like this, and when they touch a card, the spectator, you out jog it a bit like this so that it shows. And from the back, what you're going to do is, while you're showing it here, you're in this position, you're going to just move your thumb below the card and push it upwards to sort of create this bend. I don't know if you can see it here, this bend. It's not permanent on the card, it can easily be removed like this. It's normal. So it can be any card. They have a free choice. You just spread, select a card, and in this position you just create a crimp, bend the cards a bit, and you can square it up. And now you can see there is a natural break here because of this bend. In this position you can do anything like cutting the deck. When you cut, it cuts exactly to the card that is select because of this crimp. But if you want, you can just give it a shuffle to make it more convincing so that they are sure that you don't have control over the card. You can give it more shuffles, but don't give it too many, or else the crimp will be lost, as too much pressure will make it flat again. Now you see there is still a break here, and at this point you can do anything according to your trick. For the tutorial you can just simply cut exactly to their card, and the card is on top. So the crimp is very easy to make, and that's why it's one of the best card controls to do on the go. So you don't have any setup or anything. You just go like this and select any card, show them, and you can easily control the card now. So that's it guys about this amazing card control.
It's alright. Hush.